Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 2, Build Accessory Package. Next, we'll wire the motor to the electronic speed controller. Using a small flathead screwdriver, back out the terminal screws on the ESC just enough to allow the wires to fit into the terminals. Apply a small amount of thread locker to the terminal screws. Before inserting each wire, clean up the stripped ends by twisting them. This will help them slide into the terminals more easily. Install the wires one at a time. From farthest to closest to the motor, the wire order is red, black, blue. Insert the first wire, then tighten the terminal screw to secure it in place before moving on to the next. Repeat this process for all 3 wires. Once all wires are connected, install a cable tie from hardware bag J to secure the motor wires to the arm. Before tightening the cable tie completely, push the wires back slightly toward the ESC to create a small amount of slack. Then tighten the cable tie and trim the excess. For this demonstration, we're showing one arm assembly, but you'll need to repeat this same install and wiring process for all 4 motors before moving on. Each one is installed and wired the same way.